Welcome back to the channel. Next car lunch. What if your next family SUV could deliver impressive electric driving, very low fuel consumption, and surprisingly low running costs without the price of a premium hybrid? The 2027 BYD Song Pro could be exactly that kind of value play. But there is one big question for American buyers. Can BYD make this SUV affordable and practical enough for the US market? First, let's clear up one important point. Despite being useful for small business and commercial users, the BYD Song Pro is an SUV, not a pickup truck. The latest Song Pro DMI uses BYD's plug-in hybrid system, combining a 1.5-liter gasoline engine with electric power. Current versions are already available in international markets, while a US launch for the 2027 model should be treated as an expectation, not an official confirmed price or release. In China, current Song Pro DMI pricing is roughly equivalent to $15,000 to $19,000 depending on trim and battery configuration. For the United States, if BYD were to officially introduce a similarly equipped 2027 model, a realistic estimate could be around $27,000 to $34,000 before taxes, fees, and any market-specific costs. In Japan, an estimated price could land around 4 million yen to 5 million yen depending on specifications and import costs. These are estimates, not official BYD prices. And this is where the Song Pro becomes interesting. The plug-in hybrid system is designed around electric driving for everyday trips, while the gasoline engine gives you flexibility for longer journeys. Current long-range versions can offer around 200 to 220 kilometers of claimed electric range under CLTC testing, while some versions are rated around 3.2 liters per 100 kilometers in testing. Real-world results will naturally be lower depending on speed, weather, traffic, air conditioning, battery charge, and driving style. For an American owner, that could mean using electricity for commuting and short business trips, then relying on gasoline when traveling between cities. If you can charge at home, your fuel spending could drop dramatically compared with a conventional gasoline SUV. For small businesses, delivery users, and daily commuters, this could make a noticeable difference over several years. Maintenance is another important advantage. Electric driving reduces engine workload, while regenerative braking can reduce brake wear. But remember, this is still a plug-in hybrid, so it still needs normal servicing for the gasoline engine, fluids, tires, cooling systems, and other components. Long-term ownership could be attractive, but American buyers should pay close attention to warranty coverage and local service support. That brings us to resale value. BYD has strong sales in many international markets, but the American resale picture is still uncertain because the brand's US passenger car presence is limited. Depreciation could therefore be higher than a Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V if parts, dealers, and buyer confidence are limited. Insurance could also vary significantly depending on location, repair costs, battery coverage, and whether insurers have established pricing data for the model. Spare parts are another question mark. BYD has an expanding international network, but American buyers would want confirmed access to batteries, electronics, body panels, glass, and routine service parts before purchasing. For commercial users, downtime matters, so local dealer support could be just as important as the purchase price. On the road, the Song Pro should feel smooth and easy in city traffic. Electric torque makes acceleration responsive from low speeds, and the automatic-style hybrid system keeps the driving experience simple. Its SUV dimensions also make it easier to handle than a large American SUV when parking in crowded areas or navigating narrow streets. On the highway, the longer-range hybrid system becomes even more useful. You can cruise comfortably without worrying about finding a charger every few miles, while the battery and electric motor help provide smooth acceleration. It is not designed as a heavy-duty cargo vehicle, but the 5-seat SUV layout gives plenty of practical space for tools, shopping, equipment, or everyday business needs. For comparison, think about the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota has a major advantage in American dealer coverage, resale reputation, and proven long-term ownership. But the Song Pro could fight back with plug-in capability, potentially much lower fuel consumption, and a strong technology package for the money. So, is the 2027 BYD Song Pro worth watching? Absolutely. For American buyers, the biggest attraction is not extreme speed. It is the possibility of combining EV-style commuting with gasoline flexibility, while keeping purchase and running costs under control. If BYD can establish competitive US pricing, reliable parts availability, strong warranty support, and a proper service network, the Song Pro could become a very interesting value-focused SUV for commuters, families, and small businesses. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming car updates, new model reviews, and future market vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.